All right, so for number 2, part A, we're trying to find the limit as x approaches 9 halves from the left of this function. So again, if we put 9 halves in, we're going to get some number on top over 0. But since we're doing that, we need to look at both sides, left and right, to figure out if the overall limit exists or if it's infinity or negative infinity. Well, on the top, if we put 9 halves in, 9 halves squared is 81 fourths times 3. That would give us 243 over 4 for the top. And then on the bottom, we're going to be approaching 0 inside those parentheses, but we're going to be doing it from the left, right? Because we're approaching 9 halves from the left. So now we have this 0, or not 0, but a number really close to 0 that's negative, but it's being squared. So if we have a negative number that's squared, what do we get? Positive, right? So we're going to be approaching 0 from the right now. It's going to be a positive number once we square it. So we have positive number over something really close to 0 that's positive. That's going to be approaching positive infinity. If we look at the limit from the right side, limit as x approaches 9 halves from the right of 3x squared over 2x minus 9 squared. Top is still going to be the same, 243 over 4. And the bottom, we're approaching 0 from the right inside those parentheses. But again, we're squaring it, which in this case keeps it the same. It's going to be 0 from the right, because positive times a positive is still positive. So we end up with the same result on this side. Left and right side both have the same limit, so that means our overall limit is infinity. All right, so this one's going to have like an asymptote, and both sides are going to be going up towards infinity. So we would say the limit is infinity for this one. Over here, we're going to have the right side's going towards negative infinity, the other side's going towards positive infinity with an asymptote. Right, so they're going in opposite directions. That's why the limit does not exist.